Hello, my dear listeners, and welcome again to Let's Learn Kikuyu with me, your teacher, Mwariwa Magi. In our lesson, we shall look at this is in Kikuyu, where we say yeke ne. And as a rule, when you are pointing at this is in singular, then you say yeke ne. Yeke ne, and the plural of yeke ne becomes isi ne, whereas when you are referring to one person, then you will say oyo ne, whereas when you are referring to many people, then you will say aya ne. And now we get into our examples. When you are referring to a woman, then you will say oyo ne mutumia. And whereas you are referring to two or more women, then you will say aya ne atumia. If it's for a lady, then you'll say oyo ne moiretu. Whereas the plural then will be aya ne airetu. And now looking into other examples, here we have a map of Africa. When referring to it, then we'll say eno ne mafu ya Africa. Referring to a house, we say eno ne nyoba. To a tree, then oyo ne muti. The plural then becomes eno nimiti. The rule here is when you are referring to an object or things, when you say oyo in singular, then the plural becomes eno. A flower, rere neihua. A river, roro neroi. Ocean, rere neiria. Milk, rere neiria ria mwana. Not to be confused, the ocean is iria and milk is iria. They have the same spelling but different pronunciation. Iria. This is a chair. Yeke negete. And if you are to say it in plural, then you'll say isi neite. Umbrella, rere neifuri. The plural becomes maya nemafuri. Hence, as a rule, if something is rere in singular, in plural will be maya. This is a shoe. Yeke nekirato. The plural is isi neirato. Going forward, we have a toilet where we say yeke nekioro. Talking about a mountain, Gĩkĩ nĩ kĩrĩma. Gĩkĩ nĩ kĩrĩma. When referring to one baby, gaka nĩ kana. Gaka nĩ kana. The plural of baby is babies in Kikuyu. Tũtũ nĩ twana. Tũtũ nĩ twana. Rĩrĩ nĩ itumbĩ. Rĩrĩ nĩ itumbĩ. Ĩno nĩ mbathi. Ĩno nĩ mbathi. Ũyũ nĩ mũbira. Ũyũ nĩ mũbira. Maya nĩ mabĩngũ. Maya nĩ mabĩngũ. Ĩno nĩ ratiri. Ĩno nĩ ratiri. Ũyũ nĩ mũgate. Ũyũ nĩ mũgate. Gĩkĩ nĩ gĩciko. Gĩkĩ nĩ gĩciko. Rĩrĩ nĩ irigũ. Rĩrĩ nĩ irigũ. Ĩno nĩ karati. Ĩno nĩ karati. Rũrũ nĩ rũri. Rũrũ nĩ rũri. Rĩrĩ nĩ ithangũ. Rĩrĩ nĩ ithangũ. Gaka nĩ kahiũ. Gaka nĩ kahiũ. Gĩkĩ nĩ gĩkombe. Gĩkĩ nĩ gĩkombe. Ĩno nĩ thaa. Ĩno nĩ thaa. Rĩrĩ nĩ ibuku. Rĩrĩ nĩ ibuku. And with these various examples, my dear listeners, we have come to the end of our lesson. And I hope that you have learned a new thing and you will master the rules of when to say gĩkĩ, rĩrĩ, gaka, ĩno in Kikuyu. Thank you for listening and please join me again for a lesson just like this. From me, it's goodbye.